One of the core tenets of training is train like you fight. It is of paramount importance that the tools and the kit and the weapons that we build are at true to form, fit, and function of the real thing.
Whether they need to employ a non-lethal device, a lethal device, or some other sort of tool, it is so natural and organic, they don't notice that it's not the real thing. Our military and police partners entrust us with their most sensitive training needs, and they know that we're going to be there for them as their needs and requirements evolve.
We've created a comprehensive training solution for all first responders.
The hardware, combined with the software, allows our customers to train for real-world outcomes.
Whatever the objective is you're training for, you can train for it in our environment because we've built such an immersive experience.
Gun in the glove box. Don't reach for the weapon. Don't reach.
Our software allows you to tailor the simulations to your need. You need it urban, rural, domestic, overseas, daytime, nighttime, raining, sunny. We provide you the power to do that.
We give you a toolbox. We teach you and help you to use that to its maximum potential so that whatever scenario you need to build, you can build it in real time.
The world's not a static place, which is why we push software updates on a regular and consistent basis.
As training requirements get more complex, the system will grow with you so that it'll always be able to meet your needs.
We have veterans and law enforcement professionals that work here who can provide valuable input into our simulations and make sure that they're mirroring reality. But we've also got world-class engineers, developers, artists who go above and beyond.
We have an entire team solely dedicated to future technologies, constantly testing what's new so that when it's the right thing, we can rapidly integrate it and provide value to our customers that they themselves didn't even know that they needed.
We are preparing first responders for the situations that they face. We want to make sure that they come home to their families and that they protect the communities that they serve.